Verifying your identity on LinkedIn Premium is essential for accessing certain features and ensuring your account's security. If your verification fails, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have received any emails from LinkedIn regarding your verification status. Sometimes, they provide specific instructions or reasons for the failure. Step 2. Review your information. Double-check the information you provided during the verification process. Ensure that your name, email address, and any other details match what is on your official documents. Step 3. Resubmit verification. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact LinkedIn support. If verification continues to fail, reach out to LinkedIn support. Provide them with details about your issue, including any error messages you received, to expedite the process. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. They may take some time to review your case and provide further instructions or confirm your identity. By following these steps, you can successfully navigate the identity verification process on LinkedIn Premium. If issues persist, keep in touch with support for further assistance.